Hi friends, look what we have here. It's been a year since we planted these dragon fruit here, and we have a good video on what we were doing with the dragon fruit trellis. You can follow us there in our previous video. Also, we wanted to show you something here with this Shugiban technique that we used. You can see these patterns here still intact, and we want to thank a friend. I think he is from France. He told us about using Tung oil as a coat after you do the Sugiban technique, and it seems like it works really well. So really excited about this dragon fruit. Was not hand pollinated. It seems like it's a self-pollinating variety. This one was given to us by Razvan. He's a friend up in the Gulf Coast of Florida, and he told us that he doesn't really remember what variety it was, but it's a purple color inside when you cut. So we don't know. We do have Sugar Dragon or S8 that hasn't flowered yet, so hoping that in days to come we will have more dragon fruits to try and see which one is tastier than the other. Many people seem to be very much interested in this technique that we are doing of Sugiban, special technique of burning the wood and coating it with a oil, tongue oil. So we want to give you an update. I think this is 1 year, but I have to go back and check whether it was exactly 1 year or even more than 1 year. And we have raised beds, which we will make a video of very, very soon. Those probably are in their 3rd year going, and there is no wood decomposition, nothing. So they look as if they are still new, need a little bit of coating, but every 3 or 4 years coating with oil, that's not much work. Our update video from the garden, we haven't been making as many videos as last year because this year strangely it's been dry, it's been hot, and since our garden is not on irrigation, many plants suffered during this summer. I hope the September will bring some rains and October will be cooler and plants will start to look happier, and we will make more videos for you guys. Thank you for following us. Please like and subscribe, and do comment, because that way we will feel like you have interest in the videos that we are making. Thank you.